Today I'm going to go over with you writing the equations from a table, finding the slope and the y-intercept. So remember, the equation for slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. And m stands for the slope of the line, and the b stands for the y-intercept. And that's where the line crosses the y-axis. So if you're given a table of values and you have verified that the table represents a linear relationship, that means there's a constant rate of change, then you can find both the slope and the y-intercept from the table and write the equation of that line. So to remember, to find the slope, which is also the rate of change, you use the formula, the change in y over the change in x, right here. And to find the y-intercept, that's the initial value where the line crosses the y-axis. To find that coordinate point in which the x-coordinate is 0, the x is always going to be 0, and the y-intercept is the number is the value when x is 0. So you're trying to find the y-intercept, you're looking for where the x value is 0, and that's where that line hits the y-axis. So looking at the first example, I'm going to find the slope first. So I'm going to look at the change in y. This is increasing by 6. Negative 4 to 2 is plus 6. And negative 2 to 0 is plus 2. So the change in y over the change in x is 6 over 2, which simplifies to 3. So I know that my slope is just going to be 3. And the y-intercept, we're looking for that initial value in the table where x is 0. And you can see right here that x is 0. When x is 0, y is 2. So the y-intercept is 0, 2, or b equals 2. So the equation of the line is y equals 3x mx, so m is the slope, plus 2. Okay. Let's look at the next example. So we're going to find the slope first. So we're looking at the change in y. This looks like it's decreasing by 10. 80 minus 10 is 70. And the x value is plus 1. So I know the slope, which is the change in y over the change in x, would be negative 10 over 1, which just is negative 10. The y-intercept, always look in the table first to find if the 0 where x is 0 is in, if it's given in the table, then the y-intercept is just that y value. So you can see x is 0, y is 60 when x is 0, so the y-intercept is 60, or b equals 60. So my equation is y equals negative 10x plus 60. Okay, the next one, I'm finding the change in y, and that looks like it's going down 0.5. And then the change in x is plus 1. So negative 0.5 divided by 1 is just negative 0.5, or negative 1/2. I'm going to leave it as a fraction, or change it to a fraction. The y-intercept is just 0, because when x is 0, y is also 0, so the y-intercept is 0. So my equation is just negative 1/2 x, and you don't really need to put plus 0. This is a proportional situation because it starts at the origin. So we're just going to put y equals negative 1/2 x. Okay, I'm going to stop it here, and then I'm going to do another video with a few more examples. Thanks.